Have you ever found yourself in a foreign land, miles away from home, only to realize you've forgotten an essential item? Something as simple as an adapter, or as crucial as your passport? Welcome to Everything Travel, the ultimate guide for your travel needs. If you haven't already, do subscribe, share, and like our videos. Let's dive into today's topic. The top 10 essential carry-on items for travelers. First up, we have travel documents. Never underestimate the power of paperwork. This includes your passport, boarding pass, travel insurance, and visas. These are your lifelines when you're globetrotting, so keep them safe and within reach. Next, consider your electronics. Chargers for all your devices and a power bank are indispensable in this digital age. You don't want to miss capturing that perfect sunset or lose your way without Google Maps, do you? Thirdly, let's talk about entertainment. Long journeys can be dull without something to keep you occupied. Books, an e-reader, a tablet, headphones, or pre-downloaded media could be your best companions during those lengthy layovers or cross-continental flights. Fourth, don't overlook snacks and water. Pack some non-perishable snacks and a reusable water bottle to stay nourished and hydrated. Trust me, your stomach will thank you. Moving on, medications and a basic first aid kit are a must. You never know when a headache might strike or a minor injury could occur. Better safe than sorry, as they say. Comfort items come in at number 6. A travel pillow, eye mask, and earplugs can go a long way in ensuring you get some rest during your journey. 7th on our list are toiletries. Travel-sized items like toothpaste, a toothbrush, facial wipes, moisturizer, and lip balm can help you freshen up on the go and save you from unnecessary hassles. A change of clothes, including underwear, is our 8th point. This is especially vital in case of unexpected delays, lost luggage, or even a sudden change in weather. Next up, a travel adapter is crucial for international travel. Different countries have different plug sockets, and you don't want your devices to be out of juice due to a simple oversight. Finally, remember to carry your important valuables. This includes money, jewelry, keys, and important documents. Keep them safe and secure, preferably in a hidden pouch or a secure section of your bag. To wrap up, let's quickly revisit the 10 essentials for carry-on. Travel documents, electronics, entertainment, snacks and water, medications and first aid, comfort items, toiletries, a change of clothes, a travel adapter, and important valuables. Remember, a well-packed carry-on can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, next time you're heading out on an adventure, keep this list in mind, and never again find yourself in a bind.